promise I did the mocks closed book because the results came back for that first one and I genuinely thought you'd given me someone else's answers. I did not believe that was my mark. As I say, it's my first strategic level exam. It's 4 hours. It's longer than all of the others. And my mark came back and it said 81. And I thought, no, you've marked it wrong, or you've sent me someone else's answers. There's no way I've gotten that. That's the highest I've ever got on any mock ever. I've never got that high when I've passed any of the exams or anything. And I remember the excitement. Again, the same friend that introduced me to the course, immediately messaged her. I was like, oh my God, you'll never guess what's happened. This amazing thing. I'm so happy. But yeah, having the mocks and having you go through it and mark it, it's the mock, just doing mocks generally is obviously the way to success, because I think you have to learn where your brain goes before you can figure out how to make it go the right way. Because if you don't know where it's going, you don't know how to fix it. So I think, yeah, like the brain pathways thing is a big thing for me. I need to answer a question and see how I go, oh, here's my information, and then have it marked and go, oh, okay, that's how I need my brain to go. So how do I go from here to here and condition it to make those improvements? And the mock was a big part of that, of having the really personalized feedback, to knowing, okay, yeah, you did really well, but actually there are still places you can improve, and that could be the difference on the day. You never know what questions you're going to get. You could get some that really don't suit you, but actually from that mock where you learn you could do that little thing better, those few marks push you over the edge and push you into a pass. So it's all about the pass at the end of the day. The mark doesn't matter. But yeah, just again coming back to that, doing whatever you can to make sure you're gonna come out well. This was the first exam that I have gone into and come out of knowing I'm going to pass. All of the others, I've always come out of an exam crying. Every single time I've come out, called my mum, I've said, I've failed, it's ruined, my life is over. And I'm very lucky to say that I have passed all of them, but I've never had the confidence and felt and come out of it going, yeah, I did really well in there. I've always come out and gone, oh God, this is going to be the worst thing ever. But yeah, after this course, this was the first exam I've gone into going, I've got this, and I've come out of it going, I had that. And that was such a turning point for me. It was a massively important point for me.
Fantastic. Great. Gosh, because some people come out saying,